Good morning, everyone. My name is Vidyashri Saini. I am from Jaipur, currently pursuing post-graduation diploma in business management from FMS IRM Jaipur. Today, I am here to present a case study on recession, good or bad. First of all, let's talk about summary. Mr. AJ is a program manager at a multinational software company who operates globally. There is a sudden recession in the economy and management has cut down the budget. Before hiring engineers, company provide them customer-based training, and one of the customer-based training is unavoidable because engineers are recruited for new project. Manager has to deal with the budget given by the company and have to manage activity according to the budget. Now let's understand what is recession. Introduction of topic. The National Bureau of Economic Research define a recession as a significant decline in economic activity spread across the economy, lasting more than a few months. In the business cycle, a recession is the period between the peak and the trough. There are some recession indicators like real income, employment, etc. Due to recession, many companies are becoming solvent as they are not able to cope up with the market. Thus, the working budget the company have is too reduced so that the company can manage their working capital and day-to-day expense with meeting their product demand. SWOT analysis. Strength. Work globally. The software company deals across the globe. Customer support. The company operates in different countries and manage a good customer support. Weakness. Training required. Every company has its own methodology of working, thus require different skill sets that can be fulfilled by training. Cybercrime theft. Increasing cybercrime cases had left many companies in the dilemma that hacks their site and software. Thus, risk of cybercrime is always there. Opportunity, cloud business growth. Cloud-based services have gained immense growth and success in recent years. Thus, there are an opportunity for every company to expand its cloud business. Partnership and acquisition. Many multinational companies can focus on entering into new strategy alliance and partnership. It will enable the company to gain high market share. Threat, competition. Company operate in international environment has to compete with the world-class competitor. Fluctuating currency and economic recession. One of the major issue in the companies operating international market, the fluctuating currency impact on the profit of the company. With the economic recession, the company will hesitate to invest more in the market as the return are not good. How to retain employees' morale. First, communication often. Communicate often with the employee will ensure their interest with the company and with their work. Second, give them a purpose. The manager has to set a goal so that the employee can work to achieve the goal. Build trust. The manager has to show that the trainees are the part of organization and try to provide with the information they need and so resolve their queries. Acknowledge employees. As the management does not have so much of budget, thus the manager can appreciate the trainee during the sessions or give them certificate of appreciation. Advantages of online training. First, time saving, as the movement of both the manager and trainee is restricted to great extent and training all the trainee online at a time will save the huge time. Cost saving. Due to the cost cutting, the manager is left with a few money. Thus, the manager have to reduce his other expense such as transportation cost, training cost, etc. No need for infrastructure. No need for infrastructure. The cost incurred during the process of training, where all the training is taken place, is negotiated as there is no need for such places due to online training. Easy on the pockets. All these physical copies of data, notes, and processor to handle courses, traditional software training courses demand a very high price for certification and courses completion. In comparison to these, ebooks and notes are permanently saved in your hard drive. When it comes to online training, videos, course material, and examination score are safe and can be viewed multiple times with no limit. How to meet customer requirements. Conduct survey. Conducting online survey will be helpful to management to know the demand of the product in the market. Second, pay attention to online reviews. Pay attention to the online reviews and feedback and take the safety measures and try to fulfill the customer needs. Third, be honest and transparent. Customer can see right through you when you are not upfront with them. Dishonesty often leads to trouble. If something gone wrong, it's much better to get out in front of the story and explain your side what happened rather than let them find out for themselves. Personalize the customer experience. Customer love when you remember things about them. The experience could be as simple as not having to enter all their information the next time they call you with a billing question. How to manage cost. First, review all expenses. You can't manage something which you don't track. If you are not keeping a good record of all your expenses, you are in a big trouble. So, avoid these kind of trouble. Review all expenses. Second, use 80-20 principle. 80-20 principle state that 80% of outcome is caused by 20% efforts. You can't apply this powerful principle to limit expense on those 80% activities that are not generating enough income for you. Third, look up in the cloud. You can save a lot of time and resources by adopting cloud computing. Employee can work remotely and use online collaboration tools to get the work done. For example, you can use Dropbox to share files, Profit Books for managing finance online, etc. Fourth, sell online. Selling product online will help the company to further reduce its cost of transportation, and also it will be convenient to the feedback online. Fifth, less traveling. As previously, the manager and its team has to move to different location to provide training to the trainees. Thus, with the coming on online platform, it will reduce the movement along the different location. Conclusion. In the market full of challenges, the company has to face many challenges during its day-to-day working. In the following case, the economy is going to recession. When does the company has to cut off expenditure best to sustain in the market? The management has shown great example of cost cutting by reducing different activity which were previously in practice. From this case, further we can conclude that with further research and development of cost of the product and operating activities of company may get reduced.